back up, get it all night. Geeked up, probably tripping on my main.
Hey, my name is Samuel, and I've been in the car scene probably 2013. I was into cars, but not really into the scene. I loved cars since I was a kid. I started getting into cars and fixing them up after meeting a friend of mine. Got me into more and more into the car scene. My first car was a 1995 Honda Civic 4-door. I beat it to shit. Had it for 2 years, brand new. And then after that, I had a 1970 Volkswagen Squareback. Loved the car. Ran like crap, but it was a good car. I had a few good cars, a few bad cars. Favorite car was a 1997 Chevy Tahoe. Love that car. 4x4, stuff like that. The car I drive now is a Honda Civic Si Ep.3.
Cause I'm on now. On the road, blowing sticky with my squad now. Eating good, so they always tryna talk down. Got my brother like, don't make me bring them dogs out. Ayy, high as fuck, that's when I walk out. Ayy, she won't ride with daddy in a mile now.
Nothing much to it. I bagged it with Airx suspension, airlift management.
Get my brand right. Ayy, blowing dope clouds at a red light. Drop a pilly in my 4-ounce, that's a head high. Ayy, shawty thick as fuck and her neck right. Laid back, but I'm so froze, she get frostbite. Ayy, tryna ride slow, call the hotline, flex up, run it.
Planning to do some more upgrades, paint the car, do a little inside work. Trying to upgrade to a Type R engine. Hopefully that'll be soon. Love the car scene, but a lot of people are in for the show, more for the trophies and more to show off. I'm into the car scenes to enjoy myself, meet new people, network, whatever to do. Get good ideas for my own car, my own creation. I want to work on another car, like a Prelude, 2001 Prelude, somewhere around that era. But yeah, I love the car scene and love going to the shows, meeting, like I said, new people. Yeah. SEMA, going to SEMA twice, and the stuff they have there is nuts. Like, you see, especially with the people, the creative minds that come together and build these things that you never thought you can do. I haven't had a really regular moment at a car show. It's just mind-boggling. With some of the people are cookie cutters. They come out with the same stuff, same cars, and all they do is either change the color of the car or the setup of the trunk for airbags or static. To me, that's what I see. I like going to classic car shows because everyone is different. They have their own set of how they want their car, how they want to do the car. But yeah, I don't think I have a big moment. Maybe meeting a few people from these car shows on TV, but yeah.
Only one life granted, baby, so you gotta take chances. I'm so geek, bitch, I'm on another planet. Smoke big dope and I drink a lot of